Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Yes. Yeah, let me share the screen. You all can able to see the screen, right? Yeah, good. Who is that mimicry artist? We have good future. Who is that? Whoever it with you. Good. Go to movies now then. Okay. Now, whatever it is. Now, okay. See, what we discussed till now, just have a quick recap. Okay. When I said you quick recap, you should get the recap. I will just give you the terms itself. Okay. Isn't it? Now, we started HTML5 and we understood what is tag and what is element. So, is everyone clear with that? Very good. We understand basic structure of the HTML where HTML inside head and body will be there. Inside head you will have meta and the title, and inside the body you will have every other body tags. Head will represent the tab, isn't it? Everyone clear with that? Very good. We discussed the textual tags or textual elements like H1 to H6 and paragraph. Everyone clear with these things? Yes, sir. We also discussed the anchor tag. We discussed anchor tag actually, how to open an anchor tag element in a new tab. How it is? Target blank. We discussed how to open an email with an anchor tag. How? Mail to. How? Mail to. We discussed how to call someone with the anchor tag. Tell. You know that, right? Yeah. And then we also discussed something called image. We discussed how to alter images height and width. We discussed how to give a link image or the normal image, right or not, with a relative path dot slash something. Remember? Yeah. We also understood how to make an image clickable. All we did is put this image inside the anchor tag, right or not? Sir, you can put an anchor tag only inside image. No, you can't put because image is self closing. Image is self closing. You can't put anything in between. What is self closing? No closing tags. Any other self closing? BR tag. Now, anyway, we come to BR. So, what is it? Now, here, formatting tags. Formatting tags or formatting elements. Formatting elements are like for bold B or strong, for italic I or EM, and sub, super, okay, HR, which is horizontal line, or strike, delete, underline, U, right or not? Any doubts in these things? No. Pre tag, huh? What? No, only. I heard it in differently, Ray. Now, we also discussed pre-tag, which is pre-formatted one. We discussed how to put symbols, icons, and emojis in my code. Right? Okay, if someone says this first class, it is very, very easy to follow also. And I will tell you what is the easiest way to do that also. Okay. Symbols, emojis, icons. After that, we discussed lists, which are three types: ordered, unordered. Very good. Next time, if someone is not speaking, I will directly point them and I'll ask why you are not speaking. Because I'm seeing some people, they are not opening their mouths. Okay. It's like childhood. We have pledge now. When everyone say, we will just open it. We will not do anything. Like that, they are doing it. Online, anyway, I can't judge anything. Now, lists. We discussed the tables. forms. Now inside the form, sir, we understood two things. One is displaying forms and validating the forms. Right or not? Now, sir, in tables, what you will have is tables will contain table rows, and inside the table row, you may have TH or TD. TH means table heading, TD means table data. Next time, I'm gonna ask some names seriously. Why people are not speaking now? Good. Next one. Next one. Code location. Yeah. Now, this is what we discussed, sir. I think. Did I miss any topic? Mostly these are the things, right? Yeah. Okay. In detail, in the forms, in detail, we discussed all the input types and all. Okay. And we discussed drop downs, how to put, radio buttons, how to put, check boxes, how to put. Okay. Now, sir, did we just complete this topic? No, actually, we complete these projects with 5 projects. Okay. With the help of 5 projects, we did this all. Now, I want you to understand these projects. For the basic structure anchor tag, I give 2 projects here. One is www project and W3C project. If you do these 2 projects, you will understand how to put images, symbols, and formattings and image. This first one also. In W3C project, actually, you will also understand list also, right? Then we discussed one project which is for table. For tables, to make understand table easily, we did one project called resumes. If you do resume, you will understand table easily, right? Timetable also. That is nice. School timetable. That's also good. Then we discussed forms. For forms also, I told you to do one application form here. And same application form, you can make it validate also. Okay? Same application form only. If you do these projects, 5 projects, and you are going to complete it nicely. Okay? You are going to understand till now whatever the concepts and basic HTML also. You will get practice. It's all about habituation. Like, okay, now you get habituated to, okay, what to do, how to do those things. Once you are habituated, you can rock the things. Okay. Sir, maybe what is the problem with most of the freshers is people can't be regular. Okay. Why? Because see, maybe you have your own problems or something happened. When you are not regular, sir, second day when you are listening, if something goes off, you feel it like, no, let's go from starting. That's not the right way. So to make you understand whatever the topics we skipped, even if I skipped some topics, if you want to learn it nicely, don't go for any video tutorials. Anyone, even including me, anyone whoever teach the video tutorials like YouTube and all, don't go for that. Why? Because video tutorial will have this concept called tutorial hell. If you started to see one video, you will be addicted to you will watch another video. You feel like you understood. But in real time, you will understand when you do, not when you listen. Okay, when you see. No, you have to do it. Sir, that's why yesterday I suggested one site called Free Code Camp, sir. It is 100% free where you have to create an account. Account creation is also optional. You can just for tracking your things. Okay. Now go here and here. Anyway, I want this HTML. And if I want to select something, let me select 47th. Normally, how you do 1 to 69, you have to complete. Okay. Now they are asking, create another radio button below the first one, nest it inside a label with outdoor as the label text, and give the radio button as an ID attribute with the outdoor value. Everything you can do that, right? All you have to do is create one input tag and put with the radio and put it inside the label and give some ID. That's it. You know what is ID, you know what is input, you know what is label. You can do that, right? If you practice those things, you will understand it easily, ma. And in still, Still, if you are having any problems at any point of the time, even if I'm in JavaScript, if you have doubts in HTML, we will go with that, because it's not like topic wise. The point is, once HTML is over, we will not go to HTML. It will never be like that, because they are combined. Till now, we did one journey, HTML. If we started CSS, then again CSS and HTML will be combined. Then when we started JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be combined. It's not like only JavaScript you will listen. Clear? Are you getting my point? Yeah. Now, next one. Okay, for some people, it is still first class. You have to focus on the things. Now, okay. And notes, for notes wise. Okay, I think I opened this. Open folder. Yeah. You can ask your admin the Google Drive link. They will add you into the Drive link, sir. Okay. Drive is created, and in the Drive, I uploaded the notes also. Okay. In the Drive, all notes were uploaded. All you have to do is join the Drive. Online people can ask the admin in the online. Offline people can ask the down admin. They will take your mail and they will add you into the Drive. Okay. Now, in the Drive, already notes are there, but I will just give you one glance also. Still, we have HTML concepts. Don't worry. Okay. Now see, in the notes folder, this is what I will upload into Git today. Okay. In the GitHub now onwards, you will have all HTML inside HTML folder. All notes will be inside the notes folder. And if you started CSS, again CSS, you will have CSS folder like that. Clear, ma? Now inside the HTML, I even created some simple files which will explain you, for example, basic layout. I created one file here, layout.html. If you go here, it will each and every line I wrote comments. What is that line about? Okay. So that in your free time, if you read this code also, you will understand what is these lines are about. Okay. Now, for example, if I'm go to formatting tags, bold, strong is used for bolding the text. EM is used for italicing the text. Like that comments. You know how to write comments now? Yes, very good. Now, for for headings, I created one file, formatting tags, semantic elements. Yes, I forgot. We discussed semantic elements now. Article, header, nav. See, this is what they used. Everything, article, section. What are there? Everything I mentioned there. You can just see it, ma. Any doubts? No. Next, for anchor and image tags, one file. For list, one file. For tables, one file. And block inline elements. Did you remember what is block element? What is inline elements? What is difference between block and inline elements, sir? Block element means good. Beside the element, there won't be any other elements. Inline elements, next element will be beside only. Very good. That is what I explained, sir, here. If any file, if you click on go live, you will get it. Sir, for me, go live is not working. If you are not working, go live, go to go show preview. Live preview will be there. Extension. Okay. Sir, in case if you are in case systems 99 point here offline, anyone go live is not working, bring it to me. I will see. If online, if anyone is still not working, should go with something called live preview, sir. Okay. Live preview. It will work. Okay. Or, sir, I can't go like this. Open out, and go to the actual folder. Go to the actual folder. Now let me go to my actual folder, sir. Inside this HTML, CSS, inside HTML code is there. Now, if I want to run this formatting tags, I will go and I will run it directly. Sir, if you are running it directly, if you made a change, it is not coming directly, sir. No, it will come actually. But only the problem is here. Only the problem is here is you are not saving it auto save. So keep your file auto save. Okay. And come here and just refresh it. Okay. Clear, ma? Anyway, live server is just to see the code. That is not HTML part, right or not? So don't get stopped by that. Don't get if you are not getting, sir, I'm not getting it, sir. First focus on HTML. First learn everything. Then try for those things. Okay. So don't stop your journey for anything. Now, same way, sir, here. See, if I want forms, all forms also I mentioned one file. Okay. Every element in the forms, what are they, what they will do, I just explained them. Clear, ma? Checkboxes, one checkboxes, one drop down, one field set, and one text area also. I didn't explain you all input types, but you can guess it. All input types were similar, sir. Okay. If someone asks you how many text elements will be there, three types of text are there in the forms. One is like normal text. One is password text. Password is also actual text, but you can't see it. Okay. And the last one is text area. Last one is text area. That is also text only, na? Till now, any doubts, ma? Till now, any doubts? Are you all clear with the HTML forms? Okay. Okay. Someone did one form, I think. This is nice, not bad. They used CSS also. So good. We will do this all. Okay. Don't worry. All you have to focus on here, one element, one element. This is label. Now, see, when I click on label, everyone answer me. When I click on the label, element is selecting. Why? ID and fur. Very good. ID and fur. You can select an element using class, sir, or you can select an element using ID, sir. ID is for unique. One element will have only one ID and no other element will have that ID. Clear? Yeah. Now country, this one you can select. And same thing, sir. Now only problem is he put the radio button after the label. So what the people, for example, female people may click this, right? They may get confused. So always you should put it before. Okay. Number, phone number, perfect. And this checkbox, he used it nicely. Usually checkbox is for I agree only. Okay. Very good. Now, Pawan Kumar, someone mentioned. This is also nice form. Checkboxes. He used all things. Pulsar bikes one. Choose one. Very good. Okay. I want you guys also to do similar one. Only the thing is this Pavan one is not having any submit button. So even though you put a mandatory one, it doesn't use. Right? When your mandatory one will work, whenever you are submitting only, na? But this one I can't submit because submit button is not there. Any doubts? No. You all will also do? I'm giving deadline. I'm giving deadline for all the projects. Fill the forms. Okay? Fill the forms on Tuesday. Okay? Right or not? See, tomorrow class is there. Don't think like that. Tomorrow class is there. I'm giving deadline like anyway Monday will be Christmas, na? So go till Tuesday. It is very simple projects only. But complete more. Okay? Yeah. Now next one. Let's start understand more, sir. Let's start understand next. Other tags. Let me run this. And notes is also PDF I gave, sir. Now, sir, these are different other tags, sir. Now you have some other tags also in the HTML. Those tags also I just want to show it to you. These were not much important. 99.99% you won't use it much of the things. But still, let's understand. The first one is abbreviation tag. When I'm going on it, can you see? World Health Organization is coming. Sir, usually, if you remember, this is I told for title. Anchor tag, when you give a title, you will get tooltip like this, right or not? Sir, there is one special tag for this also called ABBR. ABBR. ABBR means abbreviation. You know what does it mean by abbreviations, right? Abbreviation means short form, they will make it bigger ones, right? What does it mean by WHO? Oh, you know this many abbreviations. Anyone PHP people are there? No. Python or not there. Okay, I don't know much about abbreviations then. Sure though. Now, so how you do that, sir? Go to your code. Go to your code. See, abr and title I put. Sir, if you just put ABBR, it doesn't do anything, sir. Then why you need, if you put instead of abr, if you put it in P tag, same thing will do, right? See, ABBR and here P. Oh, sorry, here P. Closing is, oh, why my auto rename is not working? Now, see, sir, now also WHO is coming now. Only the thing is it came next line because P is in a block element. Okay. Now, sir, what is that ABBR will do extra then? If I use anchor tag, it will come exactly same without the text. So the only difference is ABBR means when the Google is searching your site, it will understand, okay, this something abbreviations. This guy have this many abbreviations. Like that, it will keep a note. Okay. Just to make it more SEO friendly, we will do this kind of things. And the two difference is ABBR is an inline element, sir. Okay. Now, let me write ABBR only. Now, after this, tell me, ma. Oh, zoom. More? Bas. Good. Thank you. Now, next one. Superscript subscript. Everyone knows it. Superscript means on top it will come, and subscript means down bottom it will come. Very simple. Now, like I gave some examples like chemical H2 is a chemical formula, E equals to mc square by Albert Einstein. You know what is E equals to mc square? Raise your hand who are good in physics. Forget, array, Einstein relativity theory re wo. You should not forget relativity theories. No one is good with physics. How many of you good with maths? Then at least good. Thank you. Okay, mark. Sir, mark means it will highlight the text, sir. Earlier, in olden times, we used to have highlight only. Now it was changed. Okay. Now it was changed for mark actually. Now, how do you get the output, sir? If you see here, see yellow color. When you are writing it, we will highlight na with our marker. So that's why they made it as marker. Mark. Earlier, in olden times, we used to have a highlight. Now they changed it as mark only, mark. So here one problem is there. Now only one put there is what HTML code. Huh? I didn't understand. Anyway, now see sir here highlighted is there now. Now earlier here mark means people will get confused. If you say mark tag, this is mark, right? In HTML, we used to have one more tag called mark. See, this is where most people will confuse, but actually this is a depreciated tag. People are not using nowadays these tags. If you learn HTML from old people, they will teach you this mark tags or one more thing like align center, align left and all, or center tags. These are not there in now. Okay. These are not used. But in government website, these things will be used mostly. I will show you what this mark will do also. Huh? Tell me, ma, you have a. Someone said something. Every time someone says something, the moment I ask, they will just keep quiet. Now, anyway, if I write mark, sir, if I write now, if you see here, can you see that? Actually, you can make a different behavior. Instead of directly going, you can make it twiggle and all. And instead of going from left to right, you can make right to left, bottom to top, top to down. You can make this. This is what usually happen for government websites or news websites, news scrolls. In olden days, we used to do like this, sir, but now browsers are not going with these things. Okay. So we will go with CSS for these things. Okay. CSS or JavaScript, we will go with this. We will not directly use these things now. So this mark we are not discussing. The mark we discussed is MARK, which is used to highlight the text. Clear, ma? Yeah. Now, sir, delete and insert. To delete any text, sir, we used to have something called DEL. And there only, when you write DEL or when you write strike, both will be understood as strikeout only. But Google will understand it differently. Not only Google, any search engine, when it is searching it, your website, it will understand, okay, this guy deleted this. Strikeout means this guy just striked out. Okay, it think it like you are giving style to it. But delete means this guy deleted it. Then you know what it will expect? Okay, you deleted this word. What other word you will put in this place? You got my point, na? So you will put something called INS. In our childhood, when we write something, when you strike it out, you will write what word is there in that point. Na? Did you guys did that right? That one it will do with INS tag. Okay. So let me show it to you here. See, this text is deleted, sir, and this text is added. By default, it will be underlined so that it is added in that particular deleted text. It will understand like that. Clear, ma? Any doubts? No, right? Easy only. Now, next, sir. Time and date. This is very interesting point. Sir, if anyone is having problem with creating GitHub account, use another mail. You can create at least another mail, right? Use another mail. You will get it. Now, sir, there is one thing called time, sir. Okay. Time tag is used to represent the time and date. Okay. Whatever the time and date you give. Okay. Sir, can I give time and date in normal paragraph tag? You can give. Just to make it, this is something separate one date and time. To give ourselves, we will give. In that, you will give one parameter which is called date time attribute. Time, you will give one attribute date time, and here you will give whatever the format you want. And then in that format, it will come. See? Now, is it the exact one I gave here? How many of you people know this one? This format. This is UMT format. You will have time zones in different time zones, different formats. Okay. This is one of the time zone formats, sir. If you give this format, it will understand it what time it is. Okay. Now, anyway, I gave direct text only, September 15th, 2023. Okay. It took the September 15th, 2023. Seema? Okay. Only what time zone I am in, the Google will understand when it is reading. Now, next one. Sir, what if you want to write any codes? Code, CODE. If you want to write any code, how you will write? There is one thing called code only, directly. There is one thing called CODE, code. Code. Can you see the difference between this and previous one? Code text will come some kind of robotic. You can able to see the actual differences, sir, with the normal text and code text. Okay. Letters will become kind of robotic, right? Now, sir, for if we want to use any keyboard shortcuts, you will use KBD. KBD means keyboard. KBD means keyboard. Okay. So for coding parts, you will use code tag. For keyboard purposes, you will use KBD. That's it. So these are all not rules. You may put it if you write it normal paragraphs also kuch nahi hota. But just those are there. Okay. All these HTML programs today you will have it in your drive. Okay. Already uploaded into the drive, and you will have it in your GitHub also. Okay. In GitHub also, I will give you the link. My GitHub link also will be shared in the drive today. Okay. We can have one GitHub link only throughout the structure. Now, what more? Now, If I want to have a sample output, anyone who is familiar with the programming languages, you will get output na. When you do a program compile, right? Did you guys did any compilations? Uh-huh. Tell me what is difference between compiler and interpreter? Interpreter line by line. Compiler at once. Very good. How many of you got more than 10 errors? More than 10 errors. Oh, only 3 people. No one got any errors. Exactly run. I don't know. When I did my first code, I used to get only errors. Now it's fine. We'll tell it later. Now, for sample output, sir, we'll use something samp. Means sample. If I want to give any variables, I will give var, which is variable. But sir, these are like some kind of modern syntaxes. If I don't use this also, nothing will happen. Just some things were there. Okay. These all are formatting only actually. Now, acronyms also. Abbreviation means expanding. Acronym means shortcut, short form. Okay. But both represent same thing. Yeah. Now that's it, sir. Now let's discuss main important things today. What we are going to discuss HTML5. If anyone wants to play, you can play with the mark tag. Okay. That one will be good actually. But they removed it. Now HTML5. Sir, whatever you learned till now, actually HTML4, sir. You know, HTML5, it's like when you come to the updated version, still you can use the previous versions, right? Same way, in HTML5, you can use the basics of HTML4 only. Till now, you learned the HTML4. And in that HTML4 also, center is there, some lines are there, some mark is there. These things I removed. Okay, because they are not using in HTML5. Now, what are the HTML5 added? What are the new features? Actually, in HTML5, so many things were added. Now, we will come to some things in JavaScript. This HTML5 will be again discussed in JavaScript, but still, I will tell you. Using HTML5, you can directly have location. You know, when you go to one website, it will ask you, do you want to allow your location, allow, block? You can do that, sir. Okay. And you can actually show your video. You can actually show your audio, multimedia. Multimedia means all. That's it. Okay. Or geographical location. You can use SVG images. This is one of the highlight feature actually. Do you guys know the SVG one format of image? Ray. Which era you are, Ray? You know PNG, JPEG, JPEG or PNG. Along with this, one more thing is called SVG. What is that? SVG are called vector images. Okay, these images you can play. That means you can actually click any one part of the image. You can drag and write one image. Inside the image, you can create paths. For example, I have a big image. Inside that image, I want to make my cursor move along the path of that image. Okay. You can do that. That means you can edit an image in such a way that it will look like an animation. For that, images are called SVG images. Okay. That also you can do it, and you can do drag and drop. Yes, you can do drag and drop. Just that means normally you can drag one file from one place to another place using HTML only. That's what you will do now. Normally in websites, you will do that, right? Yeah. This all you can do that, sir. But these things will be discussed in the JavaScript because they need a basic JavaScript. I don't want to panic anyone. But these things I will discuss now. Video, audio, multimedia. How can I put any video here? How can I put any audio here like that? And at the end of the session, I will tell you what errors possibly people can get using Git and all one more time. Okay. Now, sir, first thing I will start with YouTube videos. Sir, I want to put my program in my HTML file, one YouTube video should come, sir. Okay. Let me start one HTML file. And let's name this HTML file as multimedia.html. Now, anything is there? Empty. Then multimedia. Now, sir, if you right click here, here one option is there now, open automatically on server start. You should make it always active, sir. Then only your server, whenever your server starts here, automatically it will open your browser. Okay. Okay. Now here, whenever I'm making it, browser is getting started, sir. Okay. Now anything is there, sir? No. Let me put something heading video. Now video. I will show you how to put normal video also. First we will put normal video, na? Now I don't have any videos. Let me take it some videos. In downloads, I think some videos will be there. Huh. Some video is there here. What is this video, right? Seriously? What is this? You got. I don't know. What is that file example? MP3 file it is. Hey, it is audio file, Ray. What is the problem? Just because video symbol is there, I just opened it in video. This is video. Okay. Some sample video. This is fine to me. I will take this audio and video both and I'm copying it into my folder. Imagine, sir, in your folder, two files are there, which is audio and video. Oh. Desktop, go to my folder, HTML. Inside the HTML. Paste. Okay. అర్థం కాలమ్మా డౌట్ okay now see I go to video, sir. Inside the video, let me start it again one more time. Click video and you will get video, sir. Now inside the video, open here in middle, you can directly give here also, but people always give with sources. In videos you will give with something called sources, sir. Now here go with something called source. In source src. Okay. Source in src dot slash video mp4. Now let me go here. Why it is not coming then? At least as an image it should come now. Video open, video close. src source is src it came. Okay, sir, but it is coming as something it is coming something like image, right? Let me first give some height and width. Sir, I'm just giving some height and width, sir. Don't worry about CSS and all. Height 100 pixels, width 100 pixels. Now, sir, is the video is coming? Actually, image is coming. Okay. Now, sir, always whenever you given a video, sir, here to make the video come automatically. Okay. Now you have to give one command. What is that? Controls. You have to say controls. If you say control, sir, then a video will come. Video will come with control, sir. Now, if I give here something height 400, it's 400. Now see, with some controls it came. Now it will come automatically. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear, ma? Now, sir, I don't want like this. I want the video to play automatically. Okay. I want my video to play automatically. Now, to make your video play automatically, sir, you will go with something called here autoplay. What is that? See? Okay. Sir, here one problem is there. By default in my system, mute is there. Okay. That's why you are not getting audio, but you will get audio actually if the video audio is there. So Google Chrome will not support it. If you are making an automatic video play with the audio, Google Chrome will not support. Why? Because imagine one website is there. The moment you go to the website and it started shouting, right? It's not good. Boys know it more. Now, obviously, it's not good. 100%. So the biggest point is Google will suggest you always any video when you put it in a website, sir, you should give mute option. Okay. Now see here autoplay, you should give something called muted. Then video will play automatically when you go to the website, but it will be in a mute state. Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubts here? Is it clear? Now, sir, why we exactly use this source? Can I give this source here, SRC here inside the video? I will get yes. Source is actually used for videos, images, audios, all three things for media queries. What does that mean? Now, for different media, I want different devices, different videos. For example, if I show it in a big screen, I want one video to come. If someone sees in mobile, I want another video to come. Are you getting my point, ma? Then you think called here media. In the media, you will give the screens maximum width, minimum width, and all. I will show you that. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear? Yeah. Sir, what about audio, sir? Same way, sir. Here, if I give audio tag, audio, inside the audio also you will give source only. Source. Now, inside the source, I will give SRC. And I have one MP3 folder, sir, which is file. See? Now, if I go, is it coming? Why? Controls. Someone make it nice sense. So in audio, you have to give control, sir. So now it will come. See? Can you see it, ma? If I click on it, it will play. Because I'm on a muted state, you can't listen it. Okay. But actually, if you do it in your system, you can आराम से listen. Okay. Any doubts? Yeah, आराम से बोले तो slowly रे. Hyderabadi Hindi में. Now next one. Someone is giving background music to my website. Who is that? Now, next one, sir. Sir, can I do it like images also for different devices, different images, sir? Yes. Actually, that is called a picture tag. That is called picture tag. Did you remember figure tag? You will give figure, fig caption. We didn't discuss figure. That is so similar, sir. Figure is also used for images only. If I give one image here, image. Now, do I have any images? Where is this Misho? Huh. Now, this Misho guy is there. Now, here, if I write this image and I want to give one, uh, some caption for it, then I will go with fig caption. Misho. Now, if I give it like this, then you will get, see, like Wikipedia, you will get it like, picture and then title, na? In our textbook, we used to have picture and figure number 1.2.3 something. Like that, it will come. Like that, the image and the fig caption both will be combinedly called as figure tag. What is that? Figure tag. Why we people use these things are actually image is something, inline element. Okay, if I want to make an inline one as a block easily, I will put with a one fig caption, and both in a figure tag and figure tag I will use it. Figure is a block element. Okay. Now, along, I don't want that, sir. I want it source. So I want source, sir. That means for different devices, different images I want. For different devices, different images. Now, in olden days, we used to have source only. Now, actually, media queries we use anyway. Let me tell you here. Source. If I give here SRC, here if I give Misho, I will get it here. I will get here. Am I getting anything? No. I am not getting anything. Picture, I can't give controls, no? Picture, why controls are needed? No. For source, you need to give media, I think. Media, maximum width. $800 pixels. Now, if I just try to inspect it, why it is not coming here also then? Let me show it to you. MDN. Did you remember my MDN? At least that is good then. So that you will understand source also now. Picture. Now see. Now, sir, source set you have to use. Sir, anyway, here they used it as orientation portrait, na? Now, if I change the orientation as portrait, that means here, if I increase the width, okay, here I can't increase the widths here. This guy is not great. This one is not great. I think picture element HTML. Here you will have basic one. But 99.999% don't use the W3 schools because it will be mostly outdated ones. Okay. Now see, sir, here even the picture tag is our mostly people will not use it now anyway. Now see, sir, here picture inside this SRC set I used image food. They used image food, they used image car, and they gave normal image also with the image girl, right? Now they mentioned width, sir. If minimum width is 650 pixel, minimum width is 465 pixel, they will get car. For 650 pixel, they will get food. And they for normal one, if it is not both, then they will get girl one. Now let me increase and decrease the width here. Now see, If I decrease the width more, less than 465 pixel, I'm getting the girl. Now greater than 465 pixel till 650. If I get more than 650, I will get image. Did I write three divs? No. In one div only, in one place only, I am getting three elements. Right or not? Based on the devices they see. In real time scenarios, you will use the similar effect in CSS, sir. But if you want to achieve same thing, whatever they did, same thing you can do for videos and audios also. That's the use of source. Okay. So for different media devices, you can use different elements. Any doubts till now? Any doubts, sir? This is just a video, audio, or normal thing, sir. Now, sir, what if I want to put in a PDF? I want to put PDFs in my system, in my program, or I want to put, sir, some kind of, other website into my website, or I want to put YouTube videos, right? Let me start with YouTube videos. Go here. Go here. Now, sir, there is a tag. In olden days, we used to have something called embed tag. What is that? Embed. Embed tag used to embed the elements. You can use now. We can use iframe. What you can use? iframe. For example, let me go to the YouTube incognito. YouTube. Now, if I go to the YouTube, now if I open any, I'm getting something. Okay. Something I got now. Now, see, sir. Garnier ad re ho. Who is that desperate guy? That much desperation is not good for health, Ray. Not at all. Now, anyway, click on share. Sir, when you are sharing it, I don't know whether you have seen it or not. You can see something called embed here. Click on embed, sir. Now you will get one iframe code. See? iframe code. And copy this. You do it on your own. Okay? Salar one. Now copy this. Now go to your code and just paste it. Sir, I didn't write anything, sir. I know in iframe, whatever the link you gave, it will come directly. Okay? So I just went to the YouTube and asked, give me iframe for this. In the sharing, in the embedded, it gave me. So what is that they gave? I will tell. This is one iframe, sir. Iframe means one box it will create. Okay? Usually when HTML started in 1995, HTML started 1996, I think HTML started. I don't know exact. Then when it started, sir, we don't have CSS still, but still we need to put the layouts, right? Website need to be divided. Then along with the table, sir, we used to use something called frames. Okay, at that time this point came iframes, like a box. Frame is like a box in your HTML. So one box will be created, sir. One frame will be created, and this frame, what is the height of the frame? 315. Width, can I increase that? Yes. Can I decrease that? Yes. This is just default they gave. You can change it however you want. And the link of the actual YouTube video is inside this SRC. If I change the link, automatically that video also will change, sir. Okay. And this is not normal YouTube link. In the YouTube link, YouTube link will have www.youtube.com/ that link, that video ka ID will be there. Some ID will be there. Between ID and between YouTube link, if you put embed, then you will get this link. See, they put something called embed. Clear, ma? Any doubts, ma? No. After this, they gave some title. What is the title, user? Whenever you hover on it, that one will come as a tooltip. You know that, na? Same like anchor tag also. Frame border. Normally, if I did not give this, a round frame also will come with border. I don't want that frame border, so frame border 0. That's it. Now, allowing. Allow means what you want to allow. Accelerometer, clipboard write, gyroscope. Do you guys know what is this gyroscope and all? You all know that, right? You all use you all use YouTube now. Now see, this one is there now. Accelerometer. This one full screen. Now I can't show it here, but actually, if you go to home page, this video will become short and will go to the right down corner. That is gyroscope. You know that now? For kids, YouTube kids, it will not come. Okay. Now, now let me go here. Now let me start my file. Video unavailable in YouTube. Antamata. Huh? Heh, Chupre, I took it from YouTube only. There is no copyright. Link. You should watch the ad, and then when the video comes, you should share it. YouTube is intelligent than me, I think. Let me come here. Let me go here. Let me copy this. There is nothing called copyright. You can take it actually, no problems. Here you can even give controls, sir. Okay. Now, do you want the player controls or not and all you can give. And that one anyway, you can control it there also. Why it is not coming it here? Seriously? Hey, it will come, re. Every day I do, don't worry. There is no copyright for Google, YouTube only. Let me open it. Unnecessary time waste. There is something video, re. You all will watch it now. Boys, raise your hands if you watch it. Good. You are with me. Now, see, it came. Okay. I don't know about why that video did not came. Okay. Maybe whatever the restrictions and all. I don't know. Now, go here. See, now this player control by default will come, sir. Now, sir, I don't want this player red color. I can make it my control. Yeah, you can make it, but you need to have some basic JavaScript knowledge. API, if you understand, YouTube API, you can change it however you like it actually. Now, anyway, come here. Now, copy the link. It came now. Why it came? Because here, this copy wala came. Copyright, this one is there now. If you remove this one, it will not come. Gyroscope comes and picture, that picture, big one and the small one. Like this, everything will come here. Okay. Automatic playing ones and then sharing data. Now you can make it allow full screen is because here allow full screen is there. Okay. If you remove this basic things, you will not get that. Now also YouTube video will come, but here I can't do the allow full screen one. Okay. You can control the controls. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear till now? Yeah. You can make it more customized also using this iframe, sir. Sir, I don't want this one. I want it iframe. See, this heights and sizes also you can make it. Now, if you see one border, like kind of, if you see it, a sharp border is there. But sharp border, you can delete it by frame border 0. If you write it earlier, it is there. I deleted it. Okay, it is idundi. Now see, now I will show you this border, actual border it is. Now actual border is there, frame border. See, if you see the corners, you will get it border. Okay. Now, if you put this border, sir, it will not come. Okay, ma? Now, height and width, your wish, obviously. Okay. Now, after this, sir, same iframe. Can I do it? Some things like PDFs and all? Yes. I have some PDF. I will show PDF. Is it working or not? Let me put that. iframe. src by default thing will come. And let me go here dot slash actually, see, I put inside one program, I put the iframe and I put another program. Now that program it will run and that program output it will show here. Are you getting my point, ma? And you can put PDF files also. I don't have. I have some PDF files also, I think. Okay, notes PDF is there, na? I will show our notes PDF only today here. Go here and let me write it here. Notes. This is the HTML notes hey. Dot. Sir, same folder, dot. If you want to go outside folder, two dots. Two dot slash. You will go outside the folder, sir. Then notes. Then HTML PDF. Now if I go here, sir, like this PDFs will come. Sir, can I increase the height, sir? Yes, you can increase it. You can give height and width however you want it, sir. Height. Okay, very bad. Height 500 pixels. Width 500 pixels. Can you see, ma? So by default, when you give PDF, it will understand, sir. When you give PDF only, it will only understand how to put these things. Okay. And this download, this all things. Okay. And you can see it nicely. You may see it in many websites, these kind of things, features, right? You can make it like this. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear how to put any files? You can put document files. You can put other websites, like how I put the HTML file for other website. Okay. If I go to google.com, google.co.in, let me take one link and go here and write it an iframe. See how much powerful it is. Oh, Google is refusing to connect. Some websites will be like, if you have access to that website, normally outside website will be not connected. But if you are having access, you can able to connect those things. Okay. Till now, any doubts, ma? Is it clear? Yes. So you can put heading. You can put this video, audio, picture, and with the source with the different medias, and you can put something called iframes, embed. What more are there? Huh? Figure. Figure also we discussed. Yeah. Any more doubts you have? Any doubts you have till now? No. Okay. I have one thing think I forgot. Field set and legend we discussed, na? Right? Yeah. One thing we will do is data list. Did we discuss data list? No. Okay. Data list. Data list is also similar to like your drop down box. I will show you here. No. Sir, data list. Basically, data lists are similar to your drop down lists only. But here, if you go with the data list, sir, it's not like the normal drop down books. Normal drop down, it will only show you the options, right? But this one will already have the options. And in that, you can able to select. You will not select. When you are typing it, it will get it anyone automatically. See, for example, chocolate. Are you getting what is happening? See, out of all the options, what are elements with C? What are elements with A? What are elements with B? Are you getting my point? like kind of filtering one. When you are typing it, automatic details. If you want to process, like for example, country names, you gave all in data list, and top you gave one input box for you. And in that, if you are typing it I, all the ones with I you will get. Okay. Then like that you can select it. Now here they gave options like vanilla, strawberry, mint, coconut, and all. So if I give V, vanilla will come. And then I will select it. And that option will be selected. Clear, ma? How to do that, sir? So simple. Input here. Normally input this is a normal input, sir, here. Okay. This is normal text only. Normal text input only. But only the thing is here you will give separately one data list. You will give separately one data list. How the label and the input will be connected? ID and Farna. Same way, data list and input will be connected by list and ID. By list and ID. This input will have one list tag, and this data list will have one ID element. This ID and the list will be same. So that data list, whatever options you gave, will be connected to this input. Clear, ma? If you just write, let me show you what I meant. If I go here, now here, if you go here, in the input, let me delete this input. Control X. Now, if you go here, you can't get the data list, right? Did I delete the data list? No, I deleted only input, sir. Similarly, you can't get the data list. Why? Because data list is actually not visible. Data list is like in a memory. Data list is like a list of memory data. Okay. Now you ask, right, if I give 50 names, you will give 50 names. You don't want to show to them 50 names. Okay. You will give 50 names in the memory, but you have to type it anyway. You have to type it. And it is not visible to the people. And this whole list is having one ID, right or not? See, ice cream flavors. Now with the same ID, now here list I will create. Whatever here list name, here ID name, same. Then they both will be connected, sir. Now if someone's typing something in this input, automatically this list will connected to this ID and will check in this list. Is it there or not? Clear? Any doubts? Is it clear, ma? Yes. Now if I give values also, it will show the values also. Now go here. Now here, same thing. So only what matters, guys, see, what matters is always in your data list values. In the values, whatever you give, those things only will come. Okay, ma? That's it. Okay, what more? Okay. Sir, go here and go to the title. Now in my file, multimedia, that is title, na? Left side of title, some icon symbol is coming, right? Right? What is that called, Favicon. What is that? Favicon. That is called Fav icon or Favicon. People will call Fav icon. You can call it as favorite icon to remember or Favicon. Okay. Sir, you can put any Favicon there. Now let's go here. Let me search some Favicons for P. P. Prasad. Now favicon. P. And your voice is not audible. Is it audible now? For you, it will be audible, Ray. Don't worry. I'm here only now. Wake up, everyone. Oh, yesterday I told you that. That's a good story. That's a real one. Like, can I tell one more story like that? See, in when I started that, like, do you guys know Secret Santas? You guys have the Secret Santas? Uh, Not now, Ray. I'm saying it. There is one concept called Secret Santa. In offices, we will do that. Secret Santa means they will write all your names. All the people will return their names. And before the Christmas, before 10 days, they will just give the names all cheats. Each one should select one cheat. If I get your name, you don't know that I am your Secret Santa. So I will try to find what you like and will buy a gift for you and will keep that gift under the table or somewhere like under the tree or wherever they exchange the gifts. Similarly, someone will buy gift for you and you will buy it for someone. So all the people will receive the gifts there. That one is so nice. They just don't know that I don't know Secret Santa and they just started Secret Santa with me. I took the cheat. I didn't even see who is that guy. It was over. I just put the cheat somewhere. Now problem came. Now before tomorrow is Christmas and they told me that tomorrow what is your gift you are buying? I don't know. Okay, I can buy the gift also, but the point is I don't know whom to buy. Right? We have to write the name now. They will select it. Then what I did, I will just go to everyone and I ask, who is your Secret Santa? Who is your secret? Then I selected the exact person who did not have any Secret Santa. It's me. Finally. Huh? What? Doubt? No, no. Now, sir, how to put the favicon, sir? Let me go here. Under the title, go with link. Sir, everyone, listen. Under the title, link, you will have one option called link favicon. Link favicon. Usually, you have to write link relation shortcut icon favicon. Now, here, instead of href, give me the link which you copied for any image. Okay? Clear, ma? Now, go to your project. Now, check it on your top. See, my page. This is my page. Did you understand what we did? That should be done in head. Okay, because that one belongs in head. Okay. We are linking some other files and we should write what is relation, which is an icon. And then we should give it what is the type image and then href. Is it clear for everyone? Yeah. Let's wrap it up after a quiz. Now, let's have a quiz. Where is the quiz? Now, online, I'm sharing the link to you. You can start the quiz. Start it. Online people, I'm just giving it in the chat. Everyone start, ma. And tomorrow onwards, we will start our CSS. So everyone is shocked, right? Yeah, HTML is over actually. Okay. Yes. That is what the HTML is. Okay. Now, tomorrow onwards, we'll do CSS, sir. Huh. Don't get shocked. Okay. So by the time you woke up, whole course only will over. Okay. For the people who are sleeping. Now, see, I gave the link, ma. Everyone started online. Let me also start. Let me also copy for myself. Okay, I'm just starting it. Seriously? I also have to start now. How do you guys do that then? 100 people will do it, okay. How do you do that? Name Prashant. Nice. Hello, nay. Give me another name, Ray. Amarti. Oh, what is that? Arey, why you go with big boss people, Ray? I thought your name Amardeep. Now, go here, sir. The action attribute of a form. We don't have that. We have only 30 seconds. Quickly. Tell me the option. Quickly. What it will tell action means. Tells what web page. Right or not? Action you will give action.java or main.py something na. Now next, quickly. Okay. Ajay is on the top. We should beat it. Now the problem with the get method is, what is the problem with get method? Form data appears in the URL. Very good. Right? Wake up. Now select field in a form. Select will autocomplete. No. Provides users with set of. Very good. Now access key attributes allow users to. Next. Okay, still Ajay is only top. To submit a form for processing. What is correct? Array, you did not see in button. I did not write anything in between. You have to write input type equals to submit value equals to submit. Right or not? First one in between, I did not write in a text only. Are you get my points? Both are buttons only. Right? There most people will fail. Then I will get score. Now, the method attribute. What the method attribute will do? How the form data should be sent to the server. Post means it will not be in the URL. That means it will be in the URL. How it will send? Post. Post. To search something, you will go with get. Okay, second position. So to assign a name for a field set, we use legend or caption. Legend. Caption is for table. Caption is for tables. Now next one. Now, hey, why it's not moving? Huh. In a form, a drop down list of options. Begins with a select tag followed by list of option tags. Okay. Now next one, an email address field in a form. Quickly, which is that? First one or first one only, Paka? Okay. Let's go here. Now next. The time waste. What is this one? Now. Arey, still why we are second only, Ray? In a form, input type equals to text. Will act single line. What if I want multi-line, sir? Text area. Multi-lines of text will be text area. Very good. A button tag. Hey, it is repeated. No, it is button tag. Now button means which one? First one or second one or third one or fourth one? This is also button only. No, this is will have input type equals to submit or resend only will have mostly. Now I will go with this one. On click name of the button. It will go with the button. Okay. They did not ask it for input type. Okay. The old put method in forms. Okay. It is not used now actually. Was dangerous actually. Huh? Good insert. Whatever it is. Now anyway, put method is not there. Earlier we used to have put method also. Now giving information. Get. To give the details, post. To get the details, get. What is this? Some ads, it's like the ads in YouTube. Comment field for a multiple. Where is text area then? Good. The group of sections, a form is easier to read. Use. What is that? Field set. Good. Quick. 4 more are there. Only 4 are there. When a hidden attribute is set in an input field, why we will use hidden? We don't want to change. Let's see. Yeah. Cannot see the user data. Second one. Good. Good. How do you make input fields required? Whoever thinks first one wrong, rate is second one. Huh? That is wrong option, right? Okay. No. I gave itself wrong option. Actually, input type equals to text required only correct. Okay. At the back end, answers are wrong. IIT papers are wrong sometimes. Chhod do. Now, to help users know what to put in a field, use what we will put to help users know what to put on the field. We will use labels. Label. One more is there. Still, he is only top. Very bad. The tab index attribute in a form. Tab index is used like when you are using a tab now, automatically one value it will come, right? How much tabs you have to use it to get it that particular input you will use. Moves the focus from when user presses tab. When user presses tab. Whenever user, did you ever fill the form? When you are filling form, if you press on tab, automatically it will go. Huh? Second option, no worries. Now reattempt the question. Choose wisely. Which one should be Ray? No, only one it will be. One will be false, one will be true. They gave. What is the answer? Was dangerous is the one last I gave. And it was dangerous to me. Now all are right. Point there. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. But still I'm just giving it. Sir Ajay from side. Sir, I am first. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, sir, this much easy it is. Not only HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Anything, ma. If you really put your heart and start to do projects with me, very easily we will go with that. Okay. Clear, ma? Clear, everyone? And the complete notes is already pushed into the, I will push it into Git now. Okay. And Git link also I will put it in the Google Drive. You can check it in Google Drive, ma. Now I will show for online people also Google Drive, G Drive. Where is the G Drive link? And in that previous videos, links are also there. Okay, if you want, you can check it. Drive. See, ma, already all the notes is pushed. Whatever the files we discussed, and with that, HTML notes is also pushed. HTML PDF. Okay. You can just check the notes, ma. And in case if you are getting any doubts, also let me know. Okay. It's not like everything is over. We will in CSS, but again and again we will discuss. Daily we will do projects. Okay. Yeah. And Tuesday is deadline for this all 5 projects. Okay. Any doubts? Clear. Thank you all. Yes. Link you can ask down, ma. Yeah. Google Drive link you can ask the admin online people. Okay. And in anyone doubts, you can just unmute yourself. Online people can just unmute themselves. Get them? No, you can just open it and you can just show me what is the error you are getting.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
లింక్ కింద ఇస్తాను మీకు ఇమేజ్ ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ కి లింక్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding Git, sir. I am unable to push my all the code to Git, sir.
What is the problem you are getting it exactly?
See, when we type all the commands, sir, in the last command, we'll put Git you main, no, sir. In that,
Just a minute, man. Just a minute. I'm sorry. And space is on. You're not saying anything.
sir, sir, when we type push you origin main, no, sir. My error is coming. Info, please complete authentication in your browser.
What is the error?
Please complete authentication in your browser.
You have to complete authentications now first. See, I told you in previous classes also. Here you have to first authenticate here. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
After
I sign in,
here
sir.
also. Here also. Then what you will do? Here you have to give config also. In terminal you have to give config. After giving configs also, first time when you push, it will ask you complete the authentication. It will open your browser. Internet should be there for you. Internet should be there. Then if internet is there, it will open your browser and it will ask you to enter your email ID password for GitHub. If you
Yes,
enter,
sir.
it will give you answer.
I completed all the things, sir. My plan is that tomorrow I will attend offline and show my problem, sir. Can I do it, sir?
Can you please give me exact error now? Or you can share the screen also and do now if you want.
Yes, sir. See, sir, I am sharing my screen.
Yeah. And Subham Power, whatever error you are getting, Subham Power, the problem is it is not connected. Please connect your system with Git. If it is connected, you will not get that error. And you can share the screen.
Sir, if you enable me, I can, sir.
Yeah, I will take that. మాత్రం కావాలి ఇప్పుడు అన్ని నెక్స్ట్
రోమన్ ఆర్డర్స్ ఇక్కడ రోమన్ ఆర్డర్స్ లేవు రోమన్ ఆర్డర్స్ ఇప్పుడు టైం టేబుల్ వస్తుంది
రోమన్ 1 అంటే రోమన్ 1 ఉండవు స్వామి 2 5 కొడితే రోమన్ 2
Excuse me, sir. Sir, please enable me, sir. I'm sharing my screen. Me, sir. Prasad, sir.
కింద వాళ్ళు ఒక లింక్ ఇస్తారు గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లింక్ అందులో ఉంటాయి.
Hello.
Sir, if you want to download Git in Macma, you will have in Git link. Git website will have Mac link. You can try it.
Hello.
Yeah,
Excuse me,
tell
sir.
me, Ma. Hello.
Sir, I cannot. I am not able to share my screen, sir. Host disabled participant screen sharing. You should enable me, sir.
You can share the screen now, Ma.
Okay. See, sir.
Git pull చేయి. కదా Git pull చేయి. Pull మార్చి.
Sir, you can control my screen also, sir.
Don't you share?
Hello.
Hello, sir. You can have access, sir.
Hello. Hello.
No, it will not come.
Hello. Hello.
Ah.
Hello.
ఇది బెటర్ కదా మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళందరూ బయటకు వస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఆన్లైన్ డూ ఇట్
Hello.
హలో హలో చెప్పండి
Hello.